Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Workspace, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Google Workspace website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your business name. Fill in the number of employees who will be using Google Workspace. Choose your preferred contact information, including your first name, last name, and current email address. After entering your details, click on Next. Now, you will need to create a new domain for your business or use an existing one. If you choose to purchase a new domain, enter your desired domain name. If you already own a domain, enter the domain name you wish to use. After selecting your domain, click on Next. You will then need to fill in the required fields, including the username you want to use for your Google Workspace account. Set a strong password for your new account. Click on Next to proceed. Now, review your Google Workspace plan options. Choose the plan that best suits your business needs. You may have options for additional features, so review them carefully. Once you have made your selection, click Next. Enter your payment information to complete the subscription process. Make sure to review your billing details before confirming. Click on Agree and Continue to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email once your subscription is activated. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to set up your Google Workspace account. Once your account is set up, you can start using Google Workspace features immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.